Calm is a luxury. Some journeys don't begin with noise, they begin with water touching soil, with the smell of earth, with silence, with divinity. I'm living my life close to nature. As a mother, an entrepreneur, a learner, and a seeker, nature has healed me, grounded me, and taught me how to grow again. This space is my offering to you, a place to slow down, breathe, and reconnect, and discover the beauty in the simplest elements of life, like soil, water, plants, light, and presence. If you're someone who feels drawn to calm, nature, purity, and organic living, welcome to my page.